Hello, I'm Dr. Crystal. You might be wondering how writing in a journal can have a significant impact on your mental health. After all, it's just putting some words on a page, right? Well, it turns out that this simple practice can do a lot, especially if you're striving towards a more positive mental health. Today, let's chat about how journaling can help improve your insight and understanding. When you journal, you're essentially having a dialogue with yourself. This draws out insights that you would have missed otherwise. It's almost as if two people are working together to better understand each other. This kind of insight is only available to the person who takes the time to connect with and understand themselves in the form of writing. Once you've written consistently in your journal, you'll be able to see patterns that get in the way of personal and professional growth. By becoming mindful with what you're discovering, you can move yourself from knowing into a doing state. All of these patterns can only be discovered through self-reflection. If you are ready to give journaling a try, pre-order your copy today of one of my newly created journals. I promise you won't regret it. As always, remember, fear is contagious, but so is joy.